flowers I'm going to get along. Her funeral's today. I'm trying really hard not to cry. Let's see what flowers they are.
Hello, how can I help you today?
I'm looking for flowers for my girlfriend. Her funeral's today.
Oh, well, here are flower catalogs. You can look through those.
I want these.
Alright, well, I'll order those and they'll be here in an hour.
Ow. I hope they aren't expensive.
Right here, that'll be $12.75.
Thank you. These will look great on her casket. Well, on these flowers. No. No.
Hi, how can I help you?
I'm looking for flowers for my girlfriend.
Hi, how can I help you? Where am I looking?
You can
That way?
look at the camera like you're talking, like this is Isabel. Be like, hey, how can I help you today?
Hello, how can I help you today? These flowers are here, that'll be $12.75.
Come on!